लायन ही कामां जावंक जाय. 3.5 मीटर रोड आसा तो एज पर देअर प्लॅन्स 5 मीटर करून घेवंक जाय तेंच्यांनी. आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला तेंगे सांगलां आतां ई कडेन डिस्कशन करून जातलें म्हणून तें. पण हे सुद्दां आतां सकयल तूं पयशी तूं ते बॅरिकेडाचे सकयल पयशी जाल्यार ते फिनीश बीन कांय ना सारकें. ते सगळे त्या सायडीक पयशे जाल्यार सगळे फातर पावसान देंवतले ते लँड सगळे देंवूय शकता. तेजे रिएनफोर्समेंट कितें आहा ते एज पर प्लॅन करून दाखोवनी ते एश्योर्ड दे आर डुईंग इट.
सारसरा जंक्शनाचेर आनी पयस तुमकां खंय तरी हांगासर ट्रॅफिकाक लागून रावचें पडलें. कितें एक्झॅक्टली इश्यू कितें आहा?
आमकां खूब वेळ हांगा क्रॉसिंगाक रावचें पडटा कित्याक आमी जेलीन वयतात सिग्नेचर घेवंक कन्विक्साचे. वी गेट लॉट ऑफ केसीस, rape case, drug cases. We have to go to the jail and we have to reach fast. Road is narrow and the timing in the jail is only from 10 to 12. So within that time we have to reach the jail and we have to go back to the courts to do our matters. So it becomes very problematic and it's a high time that something has to be done over here. Otherwise lot of problems and there will be casualties on this road if there is no flyover.
Accident should be controllable.
So what is your demand for the MLA?
Road should be broad, like this is the one-way road, so road should be broad and traffic should be controlled. There should be a signal over here. Traffic police should be there to control the traffic. So in order to we can go smoothly, like because of traffic congestion, we are reaching late to the court. This is the daily problem from Apsa to Borough Banking from Apsa. Daily problem. Traffic problem. As a result, we are reaching late to the court. So that the MLA should ensure the traffic should go smoothly in order to avoid accidents. Request the MLA of Apsa to please kindly look into the matter. That road should be in a proper manner, one sideway road, so there should not be congestion. Traffic should be controlled. One-way road should be, and the engineers should be trained in a mathematical way. And please ensure
What
that
problems you all are facing here?
Yes.
Exactly.
Problem is the accident takes place, so accidents should be controlled.
Oh, very slow.
One way we need one way, and flyover bridge also should be controlled well. So this is the problem we are facing. We are going to the ports. We reach late due to traffic problem, so that should be controlled.